Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is past perfect tense. So let's see what is past perfect tense. The past perfect tense expresses the idea that something occurred before another action in the past. It can also show that something happened before a specific time in the past. So the very word itself, past, makes one understand that it says something about the past or something which has already happened. Unlike with the present perfect, it is possible to use specific time words or phrases with the past perfect tense. Although this is possible, it is usually not necessary. Now let's see how the sentences look in a past perfect tense. If the sentence expresses a positive tone, it has a subject followed by had, then the third form of verb, then the object. For example, he had taken the exam last year. So the sentence says that exam has been taken last year, so which has already happened. And if it's a negative sentence, subject followed by had, then a not, and then third form of verb plus the object, which means he had not taken the exam last year. So as you all know, in a negative sentence, not is always there. And comes to interrogative sentence, had plus the subject plus the third form of verb plus the object, and then followed by question mark. Had he taken the exam last year? I had never seen such a beautiful beach before I went to Goa. We were not able to we were not able to get a hotel room because we had booked in advance. Duration before something in the past. With non-continuous verbs and some continuous verbs, uses of mixed verbs, we use the past perfect tense to show that something started in the past and continued up until another action in the past. So what it says, it has started in the past and it has continued till another action has come up. So we had that car for 10 years before it broke down. Another example, by the time Ali finished his studies, he had been in London for over 8 years. So it was for a long time. If the past perfect action did occur at a specific time, the simple past can be used instead of the past perfect when before or after is used in the sentence. But if the past perfect is not referring to an action at a specific time, past perfect is not optional. For example, she had visited her Japanese relatives once in 1993 before she moved in with them in 1996. She visited her Japanese relatives once in 1993 before she moved in with them in 1996. So this is the way you use it in simple past. If we say she never saw a bear before she moved to Alaska, that's not correct. She had never seen a bear before she moved to Alaska. And here there is a worksheet for you to judge whether you have understood the entire concept of past perfect, and you can refer to the previous slides if there are any doubts. Thank you.